Your cat got stolen. It sounds like you drive a race car right now. Why did the cat get stolen? This is a quick hit on that. Catalytic converters. They are everywhere, so they're really easy to find. They're really easy to steal. It takes about 3-5 minutes to cut one off with a sawzall. That's in a criminal's mind. That is quick AF. And inside those catalytic converters is precious metals. The most precious metal is rhodium, over $25,000 an ounce last year. There's also platinum and palladium, but who really cares about that when you have rhodium? So these things are quick to steal. You could make a quick buck if you're a criminal on the street, and if you get caught stealing them, it's just a slap on the wrist here in California. You're out within a couple hours. Not a bad deal if you're a criminal, right? If your cat got stolen, comment below. Let me know the year, make, model. Just want to know what the popular ones are. Seems to be the most valuable ones are the mid-2000 F-250s right now. And let me know what you got. Check out my video library. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.